Hey there. I'm so excited to be here. I have been trying to make a YouTube channel for the longest time, and now I'm on YouTube. I'm like one of those like YouTubers. Oh wait. Okay, wait. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Is that what I should say from now on? Okay, maybe not. We'll work on it. Anyways, I'm so happy to be here. This is not a healthy drink. This is not matcha. This is Coke. Your girl needs caffeine. And also, like, I don't know, I'm kind of fat. I like Coke. Okay, so today I want to talk about why I started a YouTube channel. I have been wanting to start a YouTube channel for the longest time. It has always been like a dream of mine. I see like Bretman Rock and Amanda Insing and all these other people make YouTube channels, and I'm just so inspired. I'm like, I can do that. I can totally do that. I have a lot to say, I have a lot to talk about, and so I'm not only doing this you know, for the sake of entertainment for others, but I'm also doing this for me, which I think that's why you should start a YouTube channel, by the way. I think it should really be for you, and because you want to, and because it's a healthy hobby for somebody. I don't think that you should do it for the money. Things like quarantine hit, and then all of a sudden they're like, go watch my YouTube video. And I don't want to be like that, because I actually want to do this. I'm really excited. I've got a lot of ideas to share, and I have a lot of crap to talk about. I'm super annoying. Maybe I can put this like my annoying energy towards this. So hope you enjoy watching. But let's go ahead and jump in to all of these products that I bought from Sephora. Just a little disclaimer, I have bought like the entire world. I don't know what's wrong with me. I have a really bad addiction to retail therapy. I've been trying to cope with staying inside, and I'm like a mall person. I love to just go walk around the mall and like go into every single store. I haven't been able to do that. Obviously, nobody has. And so I've just been having a really hard time. I want to leave the house. So what I've been doing is online shopping, clearing out my bank account, and I'm gonna make videos about it. So this is my first little Sephora haul. I didn't get a lot, but I did get a really good value kit, and so I really wanted to share it with y'all. So the first thing that I ordered from Sephora is the Cica Care Experiment Kit. I was so freaking excited about this kit because it was on sale for $43. This kit includes the Cica Pear Tiger Grass Color Correcting Treatment. This is what it looks like up close. Is my camera gonna focus? Oh, come on, you lousy bitch. Oh. So this is what I really like wanted to buy, and this is the reason I bought this whole kit. The kit was on sale for $43. This product is usually like around a little under 50, around $40-ish, and I'm just so excited because I love this product. If you are a red gal like myself, tomato bitch if you will, this is like the best product. It is so good. I love makeup free days. I'm a makeup free fiend, and I know that sounds stupid because I'm literally making like a makeup channel. Okay, let me first tell y'all, I'm not the best at makeup. I like to do it and I practice it a lot, but I am by far not like a Jaclyn Hill or a James Charles. I'm having a good time, and that's what matters. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying. This stuff is great for people like me who love to do eyes and love to do lips, but hate to put things on their face. My face is so freaking sensitive. I get like little red hives on my face every time I do anything. And so it's really, really refreshing to find a product that makes me feel confident enough, makes me feel confident enough to go out in public, but also doesn't clog my pores. And so it's really, really nice to know in the morning I'm gonna put this on and I'm gonna feel great, and I'm gonna take it off later and I'm not gonna be broke out. That's like, that's that stuff. Oh, it hits different whenever you take off your day's makeup and you don't have any pimples. So definitely recommend this. Price point is high, but you get a lot in the jar. And whenever I say a lot, I mean that this stuff goes a very long ways. I wouldn't even use a dime-sized amount of this. I usually just dip my finger in it and pat it around my face and then pat it in to get rid of all of the color issues that I have. I have a lot of color issues. So what else came in the box were a bunch of cute little goodies. These are obviously all trial sizes, which is really great for me. I'm like a weird person who really likes quantity. Like if I'm gonna buy something, I want to get like all of this instead of just this, you know what I'm saying? So I'm always looking for like these little kits from Sephora, because Sephora is like the best place to find your little try me kits. It looks like we've got the tiger grass cream, which I'm super excited about. So we got the tiger grass cream. Please do not judge my fingernails. We have got the serum. A lot of people don't use serum, and I really just want to stress that it is actually super, super important to use serum. It's really, really hard to get all the stuff out, all the goodness out of your moisturizer if you're not putting on a serum. The serum is like the sidekick. Like, what is Batman without Robin? I am like so jittery. I had a Red Bull and like 2 Cokes today, and I'm like, whew.
Your girl needs caffeine.
I'm in it. It looks like the 4th product that we have is the Derma Clear Micro Water. This one is super cute. I love a good micellar water. Like, I'm all about it. I love to take my makeup off with it. It just makes me feel like I'm bathing in like the purest of the waters. Like, you know, the Aquaphor in Fiji that makes the Fiji water? I feel like I'm swimming in that hoe whenever I'm using micellar water. Like, I love it. I feel like it's so much healthier for your skin too, rather than some other makeup removers. I'm so excited to try this. And I'm definitely gonna do an update video. Like, you got me bent if you thought I wasn't. And then also, looks like we've got the priming moisturizer from Dr. Jart. I am so excited. I can never find a good primer for my skin. I am like the Sahara Desert. I have the driest skin in the entire world, and I'm always trying more primers. My makeup is always so dry. It looks like this one is called the priming moisturizer, so it's gotta be good, right? It's gotta be good, it's gotta be moisturizing. It looks like it's a multivitamin complex, and it actually says that you can also use it on your own. And so I will probably try this on with makeup and then without makeup. And I'll probably be doing like follow-ups to this video on my Instagram, so stay tuned for all the updates about these products. This is what it looks like up close. Again, if you judge my fingernails, you a hoe, because I know your fingernails ugly too. We all in quarantine together. So this is something else that I ordered. This is like the tiniest little thing ever, but I really wanted this kit, and I also wanted to try out something else. Obviously, this was like a moisture haul. I've been trying to get more moisturizing things for my skin because, like I said, my face is like drier than most of y'all's DMs. I'm so dumb. That was so stupid. This is called the Clinique Moisture Surge Overnight Mask. I use the Moisture Surge. I use the Moisture Surge moisturizer a lot, and I really wanted to try the overnight mask. This stuff feels like a dream. So I already tried it out on my hand, but I'm gonna go ahead and do it again. This hand is looking like absolutely gorgeous because I've been trying all the products on it. But I don't know if you can tell, but we're gonna go ahead and rub that in. And it really just gives like a super beautiful glow. And I know it's for nighttime, but oh my god, it feels good. It feels like, it's like the 5 gum commercials, you know? You know what I'm saying? It feels like the menthol. It just feels so cooling, like mint, and I love that. And I also really like the way it smells. It smells so clean. I believe it's fragrance free. It is 100% fragrance free, and it's allergy tested. That means a lot to me because, like I was saying before, I take off my makeup, I have hives all over my face. I break out super, super easy. There's very few products I can use. I'm allergic to latex. I'm allergic to petroleum jelly. I'm allergic to cats and to kiwi and to avocado. I know, avocado. I don't like it anyways, okay? Don't judge me. There are a million things that I am allergic to, and it makes me feel so good that Clinique is allergy tested. I don't use their makeup so much. I feel like it's a little bit better for more mature skin, for like anti-aging properties, but I really, really enjoy some of their skincare products, and I'm hoping that this will be one of them. This is kind of besides the point. I love Sephora because you get to pick out samples, so I'm totally going to try these out. I've already tried out the powder foundation from Bare Minerals. Not a fan. Powder isn't my thing. I have dry skin. I need something dewy. And I've got the Chorus Nourishing Probiotic Gel Cream. I am so excited to try this. I love Chorus. Is that how you say it? Chorus? I don't know. I know it's like a Greek brand or whatever. If I'm wrong, don't at me. But I'm super, super excited to try the sample. That's one of the reasons I love shopping at Sephora, because there's like a million samples you can add to your bag last minute. And then also you can use your points, which I'm saving mine up at the moment. So yeah, that's basically it. I've got 3 or 4 more packages coming on the way. If you enjoyed this video, let me know, because I'd be happy to go ahead and share with y'all what I bought in those packages. This was actually a very small package. My next package that should be here is going to have a lot of goodies in it, and it's mostly just makeup. A lot of palettes and different products I wanted to try. And then I also have a try-on haul that I wanted to do with a lot of clothing that I actually bought from Shein. And so I know that their products are sometimes questionable, and so I kind of wanted to review some of their clothing items with y'all to see, you know, if you like them. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you enjoy my channel from now on. And let me know if you have any ideas or if there's any things that you would like to see below. And don't forget to subscribe, please, and like this video if you enjoyed it. Thank you so much. Days of video postings shall be determined, so stay tuned. Thank you.